Okay, this is Lloyd Chambers at ditchloyd.com. Just came off White Mountain Peak on August 16th, 2012. Pretty good hailstorm has left the ground covered with sloppy white snow, hail. And we're going to do a video now of heading down into the big meadow on the Moots MootoX YBB and using the Olympus OMD EM5, which is reviewed on my website, ditchloyd.com. And for biking stuff, see windinmyface.com. Hello. Hope this fisheye is clean. I wiped it off. It'll get dirty soon. Alright, I'm going to strap this thing down. And then we're going to get rolling here. The Olympus has what they call 5-axis image stabilization, which, let's see how well it works. Hopefully this is clip number 2. The first one worked out, I hope. The lens got pretty wet, water spotted, but hopefully it worked out. And this is the second of 2 of, well, hopefully a 4 or 5, because I've got a long 40 miles to go to get back down to my camp in Silver Canyon. I rode from the Owens River near Bishop to the summit of White Mountain Peak here. It's about 12,000 feet of climbing to get up, and then another, I don't know, 3 to go all the way back down. I just gotta fix this darn straps. Come on, get out of the way, strap. Need a more permanent fix. I'm wearing the North Face Recon pack, and it's got straps at waist and chest, and I can use that to stabilize this camera. Alright, it's level here, but we're going to go downhill real soon here into a big meadow. It's generally full of marmots, but they seem to head for covers when the hail hits, just like people do. I can't believe I came down the summit of White Mountain Peak and did not stop once. No foot dabs, no nothing. I completely cleaned the whole descent. It's a testament to the Moots MootoX YBB. This Schwalbe Hans Dampf front tire I have on it is the only thing I'm going to run up here from now on. It's big, deep knobs, really hook up, and the extra mass keeps the front wheel from bouncing around too much. I just wish I could put one on the rear too, but it won't clear the chainstays on this bike. But highly recommended tire. It's about 900 grams, so it's heavy. But up here in the White Mountains of California, you need that kind of protection. Very sharp rocks. Don't even think of coming up here without tire sealant, spare tubes with lots of run tubes. I would definitely run tubes up here. There we go. I think the big meadow pretty soon here. One of the few kind of flat spots. There aren't very many. The worst part about this hail is it puts all this moisture onto the trail. That kicks up onto the feet, so my feet are starting to get wet, cold. So the rest of me is just fine. Here's the big meadow, or we'll see it soon. This is the last hump past the big meadow. Yeah, dodge those sharp ones. On Tuesday I was up here, and this stuff at least is colder. It hasn't melted. It turned as wet and sloppy, although give it a few minutes, give it 10 minutes. Looks like the fisheye's all dirty again, but hopefully the video is half decent. We'll see. How do you keep the lens clean under these conditions? Oh yeah, slop it up, baby. It's a mess. here first day and try to do this. Because you'll get brain fade. The reaction time will be way down. I've been up here a week and I'm in top shape and I don't have any brain fade, but I still gotta have all my attention on this trail. One sharp rock the wrong way. Oh, that slush is cold on my ankles. Got a wet ass too. Rear tire's kicking it all up. Put my rain pants on. It's late now. This is the fun part. Here is to I stay crouched on the bike like I'm riding a hardtail. Let the bike flow over the rocks, just bump around on it. Can't lock up, you gotta stay loose on the bike. Let it bounce over things. There's another bike. Psych, that guy walked up that bike that went by. This is fun. Holy cow. Check this out. Middle of August. We're about 12,600 feet right now. And it got a heavy dump of hail here. Look at this stuff. Alright, my shifting's gone to shit here. The drivetrain's full of something. Oh, there it goes. Boy, that quieted it down. This is a bit what I call Marmot Meadow, because there's lots of marmots that live out here. They're kind of fun to watch. Okay, now I'm going uphill. I'm going to end this clip pretty soon, but there's still like a 300 or 400 foot climb to some of that equipment that the Barcroft facility keeps up here. Oh yeah, not downhill here anymore. Alright, let's call it a day on that clip. How was that? These conditions are pretty cool, but I wish this fisheye, it's just covered with water droplets.